Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I hope you're actively bidding on the auction plants. A few of my favorite plants in the auction I'll highlight today. This is Scirpus, so it's the same family as Carex. It's Scirpus pendulus, stars and stripes. And the foliage is just so beautifully bright. And I love these inflorescences, and you can see where it gets the specific epithet, pendulous. Should do fine in part sun. Love a moist spot, and slowly becoming a broader clump. And we also have a number of different bananas. A couple are very rare. There's Musa hackeninii, which is, I don't know if it's even officially described. It's a species discovered in North Vietnam not that many years ago. It's been fully winter hardy for us. And if you go on the auction site, you'll see a photo of the flowers. They're very showy in bloom. And the plant only gets about maybe 8 feet tall, certainly not taller than that. And if you've been to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, you've seen the huge weeping Chinese hackberry, Celtis sinensis, green cascade. There's also one at the Ralston Arboretum, sort of arching over one of the flights of stairs outside the building. And our plant, as big as it is, was only planted in 1996 or sometime after that, so they're fast growing. So if you have the room for a big, very dramatic plant, and this incredible little dwarf linden, this is Tilia lico. It's, be a spectacular bonsai plant, very, very tight growth habit and tiny little leaves for a linden. And my own babies in the auction. I found this this oak as a seedling a year ago. It was only about 4 inches tall. I cannot believe how much it's grown. It's a Quercus dentata seedling. Its parent, the seed parent, was the dentata cultivar pinnata fida. This seedling's leaves are much broader than its parents, but it's just, I've just been so impressed with how it's grown. The leaves on this newest growth, which is growing much more vigorously, are even broader than these leaves that have produced, earlier in this spring. So we have those and many other woody plants. Several different firs, some really interesting junipers, and this very rare redbud. This is a species redbud from China, Cercis chuniana. It's been really fast growing in the garden. The plant has about doubled in size since last year. It was maybe 5 or 6 feet tall last year, and it's certainly about 10. Well, those are some of the highlights from the auction there, and this is just a small percentage, and these are just the plants that are coming from Juniper Level Botanic Garden. So the Ralston Arboretum is donating at least as many plants for a total of about 500. So I hope I will see you at the auction. Thank you very much.